So today I'm doing a review on the Rare Beauty with Selena Gomez, her line. And this is the only box I have that I did not throw out. This is the foundation. So this is how it looks. I was so excited when I purchased everything that I didn't think twice about it and just threw everything out. But this is how it looks. It's very sleek. I like the feel. It's soft kind of thing. And this is the concealer. This is the liquid blush that I also managed to get. And I just got one of her lippies. So I'm only going to do reviews on these that I have right now. My eyes are already done. My face is already prepped. Speaking of prepping, I'm trying this new moisturizer that I have here. And it's the company, I'm not even going to try to pronounce it, but it's COSRX. It's very weird, but you see all these like red stuff that's going on here. I'm not sure if it's because the weather's changing or this whole mask thing like has my face really dry in this area and really red. So I went to Ulta and I asked one of the ladies to help me. I do have a lot of allergies, so I can't use coconut. So she actually recommended this brand. I never heard of them before, so I was like, why not? And yes, do you see that word snail? I was grossed out too, but I was actually reading a lot about it and they say it's really a lot of good things. And look guys, look, it's so slimy, but it has no smell to it, which I don't mind at all. I don't like my things to be scented because I have sensitive skin. But so far this is my second day on it and I love it. My skin feels better, doesn't feel so dry, like it's doesn't feel so, and it doesn't burn. Like the redness is actually calming down because it was really worse. So if you guys want, I'll keep you updated about this product. And it wasn't that bad. I think it was like $24 or $28. So I mean, it's not bad at all. All right, so I already prepped my face as I said, and I put what I need to, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use my beauty blender. I got the shade 190W. And also, the concealer too, you can get the concealer as the same, but I don't really like my concealer to match my foundation. I like my under eyes a little brighter, so I did get shade 130N in concealer. I haven't tried this out yet, so this will be my first time testing this. So yeah, and it comes like this. Pretty cool, easy. Feels good and actually smooth, blends very well. I didn't get the foundation brush. One, they didn't even have it in stock anymore at my Sephora. I do feel it's a little yellowy. I'm just reapplying in areas I want a little bit more coverage in. But this is probably my new go-to everyday foundation. Being a mom and all, I'm always like trying to find the fastest way to get ready. This is like one of those running errands, makeup, no makeup kind of day look, which is pretty good. I don't really get why on camera it's coming off a little white, but it's okay. So far, I have no complaints. Besides like the different coloring of the shades, but I can see if I'll work with it. I like it so far. I mean, you can still see like my little breakouts that I'm having, but overall I kind of like it. Doesn't feel like anything's on my face, which I appreciate. So now I'm kind of scared with the concealer because I did go down a lot of shades. But ooh, I like that. It has like a little angle to it, which is pretty cool. Okay. Oh yeah, it's a little too light. Let's see how this works first. If I look down, it's because I have my mirror here. But concealer blend out pretty good. I'm not really upset at all with the shade that I chose. Like I said, I like my under eyes to be brightened. And I don't feel like it's bad at all. Yes. Like I said, so far I'm loving this. This is definitely gonna be one of those running errands, going out quickly with the kids type of makeup. I definitely can see this being an everyday kind of thing for me. So like I was saying, the concealer looks good. I mean, I have no complaints right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just set this with my Laura Mercier powder. So far, so good. I have no complaints towards this. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some on my forehead and here. I mean, I usually do that, so I just was a little nervous about it, but I love how quickly it blends. So far, guys, I am loving this. It's so nice. Blends well. Feels like I have nothing on my face. Can't complain. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my face. And I'll be right back. So I was gonna finish my face until I realized I would also have to review this. So I just bounced my face a little bit. I'm gonna go, I've never tried a cream blush before. This is my first time. So it's a really pretty color. I got the color Bliss. And yeah, so I'm gonna just go ahead and just swatch this on my hands because I've never used this before. It's really pretty. I'm gonna grab my beauty blender. I'm gonna go and I'm just gonna do this. Oh wow, that's pretty. It like sinks into your skin. And my beauty blender was already damped. This is really pretty actually. I like this. It looks good, it feels good. It does dry quickly, but it just looks very soft on the skin. Let me see if I put it on my beauty blender. Oh yeah, that looks much better. See? I have to stop being a little nervous and just apply it, girl. It's cute. I'm not disappointed in the shade that I chose. There's other shades, but they're a little bit too much, like, dramatically for me. And I'm just a girl who likes her cheeks a little red and subtle. But overall, I'm loving this. I'm loving this whole new cream blush kind of thing. I've never tried it before, so one of my favorites. I'm loving it. Okay, so since I already did a little bit of the bronzing, I'm just gonna do this really quick. And sorry for all the noise you guys hear. I have a lot of things going on in my house. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and try the Courage Lippy. It's the only one that I really liked so far. I did want to use a lip liner, but I kind of have a lip liner, looks like it kind of goes with it. This one is the El Maquillage, the Carly Bible one, and in Bible. It's this waterproof lip liner Bible. So yeah, I got all of her stuff. So like I said, I have a mirror down here. I'm just gonna quickly line my lips up. And texture is smooth. It's like very velvety, I guess. I love this formula. I'm not mad. So I didn't buy the mist or anything that came the other products. One, my Sephora didn't really have much, so that's one of the reasons why, and I didn't really want to order it. I wanted to see it all in person because, you know, we can finally go to stores. But yeah, I'm loving everything about this. The foundation, the concealer, blush, it feels all really good. Let me just wipe off this, the excess powder. I mean, right now my skin is going through some stuff, like I said over here. So I do see, like, if you're really dry, just moisturize a lot. You can kind of see things, but like I said, my skin is just going through it right now at the moment. So I'm not really too mad at that part. But everything else looks pretty good. Like, I have no complaints. I want to go out now and get the rest of this lip color because I'm loving the texture, the formula. It's just feels so good on my lips right now. I also want to see if I can get another shade of this, of the blush, the cream. I'm really loving this, but I don't know. I'm really loving this. I'm about to pick up more colors, but I really want to play with this more. I have no complaints with the concealer. It's just, like I said, it's pretty much one of those, it's not a full coverage. I don't want to really say medium as well. It's one of those kind of like, it's a sheer medium kind of coverage. I don't really know. But overall, I'm loving the packaging. I'm loving the line. I'm loving everything about this brand.